The iComfort Wi-Fi thermostat is tested at our facility in Carrollton, Texas. So it helps you maximize the efficiency in the space, but mainly it's a comfort play. It helps the homeowner be comfortable in any part of the house that they choose. If you want to get each room in your home or each zone in your home comfortable, then the iComfort Wi-Fi with the iHarmony zoning system is the way to go. It's got cool features that homeowners love, like being able to check it from their phone. Remote monitoring is great. How your home is performing, how the equipment is doing, service alerts. We're testing it for things like making sure that static electricity won't damage the thermostat. We're just making sure that the thermostat functions and can keep temperatures the way that it's designed to do, which is within half a degree.